Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you to all of my subscribers, and thank you to all the new people watching. Hopefully you like and subscribe as well. Today what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and assemble the new racking system that I actually bought for my reptiles down here. It's in this huge box down here. Dun, 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 dun. It's going to be for hopefully all of my geckos, but it's supposed to fit all 3 of my leopard geckos in it. So what happened is that I do have my 2 boys, Damien and Blue, who I wasn't planned for, but I bought them a tank stand holding thingy a while ago. It was a double tank stand from Reptile, I believe is where I got it from. So that was when I had the 2. Since then, I've gotten 3 more geckos, 2 crested and Daenerys, who are all my female geckos. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get Daenerys put over there. It should be wide enough for me to get the crested geckos there too. Then I'll have the top shelf for all of my female geckos, and then the bottom 2, or the middle and the bottom, for my male leopard geckos. So let's go ahead and start assembling. So now all the reptiles are properly put in one spot. At least all the leopard geckos are. My crested geckos are still over there. They couldn't fit on this part, sadly, because when Daenerys' tank gets an upgrade, which she's definitely going to. Hi, Daenerys. When she gets hers upgraded into an Exoterra tank like everyone else's, her tank will be their size, and I won't be able to fit the cresteds over here. So the cresteds are going to stay right where the girls are. But all the leopard geckos are finally where they belong. And everyone's having a great day. Everyone's happy. Yes? Thank you guys so much for joining me through the little tank build, kind of, well, not tank build, there, I guess, holder builder setup. You guys know what I'm trying to say. Their stand setup. There we go. Their stands. Thank you so much for being here for my reptile stand setup. Daenerys is going to go ahead and close us all out for the day. So, hope you guys all have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.